So this noisy old pump needs replacing. First thing we do, electrically isolate the boiler and the heating system. I spray a bit of WD-40 on the old nuts. Let that soak in. And isolate the two pump valves. Then I also go up and bung the system just in case the pump valves don't hold. Better to be safe than sorry. Undo the electrical cover, disconnect the wiring. Use some big grips, undo the nuts. Can be a bit tricky. This is when you'll find out whether the pump valves are holding or not, because you'd probably get a bit wet. So I stick a tub underneath just to catch the excess water. Put it out the way. Check the washers aren't still on the unions. Use nice new rubber washers that come with the pump. Make sure you line the unions up with the pump properly so you don't cross thread it. Once you're happy it's all tightened up with some grips, undo the pump valves. I undo them all the way and then quarter of a turn back. Just personal preference really. Pop the bung back out the tank. Now it's down to the wiring. Pretty self-explanatory, it's just live neutral earth. With these grundfos ones I tend to slide them through first. Make sure none of the copper wires showing. Always make sure it's really tightened up. And once I'm happy with it, give it a little tug just to check it doesn't come out. Then continue to do the same with the other two. Once you're happy they're all done, slide it in place. Just move the cables out the way of the screw hole. So the last thing you want to do is screw through a cable. Tighten that up. Put it all back together. Clip it onto the pump. Go turn the boiler back on. I turn it up to maximum. And then if you press and hold the button on the front of the pump, that puts it into pump purge, which is air purge. It starts and stops the pump just to get any air out. And there we go, nice new pump fitted. Happy days.